moving quickly so we can get back to the lead story tonight, the Simpson matter. Our next guest claims to have witnessed daycare workers at an Addison, Texas facility using physical violence to discipline the little children in their care, including sticking them with thumbtacks. Before we meet the whistleblower, here's what she alleges. Brandon B.J. Medlock is just 3 years old.
I did it.
A cheerful toddler who likes to sing. Draw and play football with his father. But BJ's parents, Katrina Perkins and Brandon Madlock Sr., claim the marks on their son's back betray a hideous incident at this Dallas area daycare center, a form of discipline that allegedly involves sticking youngsters with thumbtacks.
It is torture. If you allow someone to poke 2-year-olds with thumbtacks, that's torture.
This is happening all over the country.
Attorney Jeff Rosansky represents the family.
This daycare chain takes care of over 200,000 children across 38 states. We know this is not an isolated incident.
Yet BJ's parents say they never suspected wrongdoing when they dropped off their son and a younger sibling at this building, then known as the Children's World Learning Center. Catherine Bradford, a former assistant teacher at the facility, says she knew differently.
I seen the teacher that was over me poke the kids with tacks and take them in the closet and spank them, pinch them, etc. I mean, and it continuously happened.
Catherine claims she complained to management, but when nothing changed, she says she quit. And in March, contacted BJ's parents.
He wasn't the only kid. There were several kids being poked.
When the couple next took their son to school, they say he pointed at a collection of thumbtacks and described the punishment as stick. The family maintains the school's director was incredulous.
She immediately defends the teacher. She just said it couldn't be true, not her, that maybe she was teaching the kids about thumbtacks.
On September 11th, the family sued the school and its parent company, Knowledge Learning Corporation, among others.
I really feel without this lawsuit, this would have got swept under the rug. Nobody else would have known about this.
In a written statement, the company told Geraldo at large an investigation by state licensing, as well as their own internal investigation, found no evidence that physical abuse occurred. However, the teacher may have threatened the child. As a result of our investigation, center management terminated the teacher. Meanwhile, BJ's family urges other parents to research and make unexpected visits to their child's daycare center. And the woman they describe as a whistleblower still searches for employment.
If someone's willing to offer me a job in child care, I would definitely take it.
And here she is. Catherine Bradford joins us live, the whistleblower for the lawsuit filed by the parents of 3-year-old Brandon Madlock against the Knowledge Learning Corporation, the owners of KinderCare in Addison, Texas. Catherine, I think you should have been commended instead of being fired. Were you fired?
No, I wasn't. I quit.
Okay, now are you out of a job now because you're a pariah in the industry? Have they given you bad recommendations?
No, actually I do work, but childcare is my passion is what I want to do.
So you saw this stuff. Why is it really widespread, Catherine?
Yes.
And does more than one person do it?
No, just all I seen was that one person.
And so your caution to parents who use daycare, what do you say to them?
I say just completely check out the daycare, know the teachers that you're dropping your kids off to, just do a complete research before you enroll your child there.
You actually saw people sticking pins in children in this child?
Right.
Catherine, thanks for your courage. Judge?
You know, I have to think that there'd be some corroborating evidence of this. I mean, in terms of an examination of the child.
The kid's got pinholes in his back.
Yeah, right. Okay, so that's enough. And what parents need to do is they need to stop by unannounced at these daycare facilities and don't let anyone tell you you're going to upset your child by showing up. You have to go there. In a situation like this, you call the police immediately, call Child Protective.
And talk to your child. Remember, your child is going through a lot of different things at daycare, so if you can talk to them and see what's going on with them every day, then you can make sure nothing's happening.
And check their bodies out. Yeah. When you bathe them at night, you have to check them out.
On that note, let me take a break so we have a couple of minutes for the Simpson saga wrap-up after this.